The kitchen sink, holder hanging drain basket, is an innovative and practical solution for those looking to optimize their kitchen space. This adjustable organizer is designed to efficiently hold soap, sponges, and other utensils right under your faucet, keeping your workspace tidy and accessible. One of the standout features of this product is its adaptability. The basket can be adjusted to fit various faucet sizes and sink configurations, making it a versatile addition for any kitchen. The installation process is straightforward, with no tools required, allowing users to set it up quickly and effortlessly. The material quality is commendable, featuring durable, water-resistant plastics that ensure longevity even in humid environments. The drainage design is particularly effective, preventing the accumulation of water and reducing any risk of mold or unpleasant odors. Furthermore, the open structure allows for easy rinsing and maintenance, adding to its user-friendly appeal.